Anyway, accounting, right? Here's what drives me nuts. The same person that uses our platform to book shipments is the same person that will handwrite the cost on the paperwork or 10 key it into their ERP, or I've seen a myriad ways. 3 screens, copy and paste bandits. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Just filling all these different fields of information out.
It becomes habit form.
Yeah.
It's too easy, right?
Yeah.
For them.
Yep.
At that point, because that's the process that they know.
Oh, 1,000%. So like, here you are. I can connect all these systems together. And now here's my deal. Each shipment is an individual payable record. Not only do you have to account for each payable record, but now you have to consolidate those into a single pay or payee situation to pay the carrier.
Yes.
So you have to consolidate couple, hundreds of bills depending on the volume of shipping.
And you got to tie it back into that customer of yours.
Yes.
Right? It's got to be on. You've got to make sure the profitability still. You got to make sure that the order was fulfilled. If it was short filled, do I got to go back and redo that? Do I owe credit? There is a lot of information that goes on behind the scenes after that order is shipped.
Coding those, right? Either to the correct department, correct product line, so that when you do your books, you start understanding freight as an expense of sales. Too many times in SMB do I see people who have to stopgap, go get the customer to approve freight. Freight's been approved, now I can ship it, all because they don't have a good enough understanding of the data and automation to fill those cost buckets in to go, you know what? I can just offer an all-in price. Freight's included.